Hey first grade friends, so today we are going to be taking sound spellings to make words, okay? So some of these all of these we've talked about and we've practiced writing so far, right? And we talked about the sound that each of these make. So this one says I, this one says ah, this one says ah, this one says p, this one says t, this one says k, this one says d, this one says g, and this one says okay? So if you notice, I put my vowel sounds up here. Remember, our vowels, the air goes through, there's nothing blocking it. And our consonants are down here. And consonants, the air gets stopped, right? And they're colored red. I didn't make them in red, but I could have. All right, so the first thing is that you need to know that a and t say at. All right, I'm gonna move these out of the way so that they're not distracting. Okay, so at. All right, remember, a and t make at, or at makes at. All right, so what if I take away my a and put the I in its place? So now I have it. Make sure you're catching those words, okay? Don't let them fly away. All right, now I want you to tell me, how did I make that word go from at to it? What did I do? I took the a away, right? I took this one away, and I put I in its place, right? So we're going to make some more words, okay? So I'm just going to slide these over so that we have room. So now we have it, right? It. What if I put p in front? Now I have p, it. But we don't have to say all of the sounds because we know that these two say it. So we can say p, it, pit, okay? Now I'm going to get rid of my I, and I'm going to put a in its spot. Remember that at says at. So p, at, pat. All right. Now I want to see if you can do this one on your own. I'm going to take the a away, and I'm going to put a in its place. What do you think you have now? P, a, t. P, a, t. Pot. Okay. What if I move my p and I put d in its spot? Now what do I have? Now I have d, a, t, d, a, t, dot. All right. How about this one? Remember, this says k. What do we have? K, a, t. K, a, t. Cot. A cot is kind of like a movable bed that you can sleep on. What if I get rid of this one and put this one in its place? See if you can do that one on your own. You can pause the video if you need more time to do it on your own. If you're ready, then listen up. We have k, a, p, k, a, p, cop. All right. Ooh. So I took the ah away and I put ah in its place. What do we have? K, a, p. K, a, p. Cap. Like a baseball cap. Okay. All right. I bet you can't get this one. Frozen. Oh, okay, now I'm unfrozen. What is this one? What is that one? K, a, t. K, a, t. Cat. Hey, I have one of those. All right, now I'm going to change all of them. Are you ready? Let's see. Let's see if I can trick you. Do you think I can trick you? Or are you too smart for me? I think you might be too smart for me. But I'm going to try and trick you. Let's see. Oh, all right. What is that word? Start with this sound. What is this sound? D, I, G. D, I, G. Dig. Okay. What about that one? What's that one, guys? Do one sound at a time. And remember, we are reading left to right. All right. D, I, P. D, I, P. Dip. I'm going to dip my toes in the water to make sure it's not freezing before I jump in. What about this one? T, I, P. T, I, P. Tip. How about that one? T, A, P. T, A, P. Tap. Are you ready for another one? We only have a few more. Stick with me. What about that one? T, off, P. Top. Okay, I'm going to have you guys do this one all by yourself. Ready? Go. If you need to pause the video, pause the video. All right, guys, do you know what that word is? It's pop. Let's go over it. Ready? P, O, P. P, O, P. Pop. All right. Let's see if you can do another one by yourself. How about that one? Remember, this says D. All right, pause the video if you need time. Okay, what is this word? What is this word? Pod, okay? We have P-A-D. P-A-D. Pod. Good job. All right, same thing. I want you to do it on your own. Let's see. All right, what's this word? Nod. Like you're nodding your head. Okay. N-A-D. N-A-D. Nod. Okay. How about this one? I know some of you guys know this word without even having to sound it out, because some of you guys got this on your assessment. N-A-T. N-A-T. Not. Good. All right. Last one. Let's see if you can do it all by yourself. All right. Take a minute. Okay, we've got G-A-T. G-A-T. Got. If you guys got those, oh, I'm frozen. Okay, I'm unfrozen. If you guys got those words, can you go ahead and kiss your brain? You guys are so smart, and if you didn't get them this time, that's okay, because we are going to be doing lots of practice, and I'm sure that you will get it. Okay? All right, guys. I'm going to explain your assignment in a little bit, so stay tuned.